sige na. We have our pop quiz. General answer. What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth, B. Jupiter, C. Mars, D. Saturn.
Largest planet in our solar system.
No.
Ano mo?
A. Earth.
Yaman ako lang mo sa bat.
Of course, for me, Jupiter. How about you?
Ano ako diba ba?
What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth, B. Jupiter, C. Mars, D. Saturn.
Saturn. Char!
Okay. Saturn, Jupiter.
Answer
Makusayan.
B. Jupiter.
Wala niya.
Jupiter.
Number 3.
Number 3, which is the longest river in the world? Ano di pumasang?
Which is the longest river in the world?
A.
Amazon?
Nile, B.
Mississippi?
Amazon, C. Mississippi, D. Yangtze. Ano yun?
Mississippi.
For you?
Mississippi, girl.
Mississippi, I think for me, Nile. Mississippi, kag Nile.
I don't know.
Answer A. Nile.
Nile.
Nile ang ba?
Nile.
Nile ang
Nile. Nile.
What is the
Okay.
largest
I have 2 points, 0 points. Oh my god, 0.
2-0.
What is the largest ocean on the earth?
Pacific. Atlantic. Pacific Ocean?
I think for me, Pacific.
Atlantic, biro?
For me, oh my god, yan. Indian Ocean na lang ako. Yung Pacific. Pacific, Indian
Tapos
Ocean.
Atlantic.
Answer D.
Oh, 1, 2. Oh my god.
Pacific Ocean. Which planet is known as the Red Planet?
For me, Venus.
Mars.
Mercury! For me, Mercury.
Siguro yung pinakalapit
Answer
sa...
B. Mars.
Ay,
Ay!
chamba
2
lang guys,
points.
chamba.
2 points, 2 points. Isa pa, isa pa. So, na uli 2 points na. Hari, hari, hari. Kutubulan yan. 7. 7 na ako. 7.
7.
7.
Answer C. 7. What is the
3-3.
main function of the heart?
Main function of the heart. I think pumping,
Pumping
blood.
blood.
Wow! Pumping blood. Hello?
Answer A. Pumping blood. What is the largest organ in the human body?
Largest ano, organ? Skin.
Skin.
Answer D. Skin.
Oh. Pila ka na? 3, 4. Ay, 3 ka pala. 3, 4 na ko. Diba? 3, 4.
Planet
Uy,
is known as
4
the
na tayo.
morning star or evening
No, morning star.
Saturn.
Uranus.
star.
May planet nga, ano?
Wala.
Baga mo ni Mansell?
Answer B. Venus.
4, 4. Sala. Venus. Galia. Morning star.
What is the capital of Canada?
Toronto. Toronto.
Toronto. Hindi.
Ottawa.
Hindi.
Ang capital bala ang dong city. Gibala sa
Toronto, guro. May hindi man nasa kantong.
I-atakon. Toronto yung mga.
Hindi ko
Answer C.
mag-pronounce.
Ottawa.
Ottawa. Mga galing.
Ottawa? Ottawa.
If you enjoyed these questions, which continent is known as the land down under?
Rich content. 4, 4 to.
Which continent? Continent? Content?
Continent.
Africa. Africa ako.
Europe. Europe. Africa, Europe. Sa land down under.
Answer C. Australia.
4, 4. Bobo natin, girl.
What is the largest country in the world by land area?
Russia.
Russia mo?
Russia, Russia, Russia.
Answer C. Russia.
5, 5.
Who painted the Mona Lisa?
Vincent Van Gogh.
Leonardo da Vinci?
Oh,
Answer B. Leonardo da Vinci.
7, 6.